Hey guys, at BV Matson here. Sorry for the lack of videos here lately, but I have been at war with trying to get this front hub apart for like the last 2 days. I swear to God, I have let this thing soak with, PB Blaster. I've went and bought the best products that I possibly could to get this thing going. Highly recommended. Everybody I talked to said this was going to do it. Seafoam Deep Creep. It sat there forever and ever and ever. I mean, I had my 17 millimeter wrench working this damn thing. Worked it, damn near rounded off. Just working this thing. And I finally just cracked it. And the only way that I cracked it is I actually ran to the store and bought the damn biggest pair freaking tool that I could find. I needed leverage. This thing was seized on there. Finally clamped her on, gave her a spin, and we got this rear hub apart, guys. I was taking everything at this thing. I was hitting it with a torch. All right, I was doing everything I could possibly think of. And what ended up doing it was the 16-inch tongue and groove pliers. If you got to get these hubs apart, they can be a real bear, and you got to get this one off. All right, this is the goal. Oh, man, this is such a relief to get this off. This has been holding me up from doing the polishing on the rims. And there it is, finally. What was going on here? What in the world was going on here? Oh, mangled it. I'll clean that up. It'll look okay. But we got our hub apart, guys. This was a brutal task, man. It ruined my mood completely over the last couple days trying to get this off. Let's pull the hub apart. I really just had to laugh on this drum brake service here. It was like, all models use a single leading shoe. Twin leading shoe, blah, blah, blah. Steps. Remove the wheel from the motorcycle. Easy. On the front wheel, unscrew the axle. Remove the brake plate. Screw you. Not that easy. At least not on this bike. But now, this whole damn thing should in theory come apart. And of course the key word is should come apart. Now, let's see. Come on, man. This front hub is just killing me. It is just killing me. Trying to finagle this stuff out of here. So the brakes are not engaged. I think all I got to do is give this a few taps. Grab a piece of wood. Give this a couple of firm taps and we should be in business. Broke the freaking wood. This is just a perfect illustration of how this entire part of this bike has been going for me, guys. I mean, I'm about at my wit's end with this. I couldn't believe it. As soon as I put these bad boys on, I'm gonna bronze these and hang these on the wall. As soon as I got those on there, this thing gave way and it finally went through. All right, guys, that is the ticket, guys. Little block of wood, and you can see this is starting to move. And being real careful not to. See, we're making progress. That's moving. Driving this axle right out. Beauty. Ooh, ouch. And yeah, as you guys can tell, guys, I'm really at my wit's end. This has been a hell of a challenge. Get my punch. There, axle is out, and boy, oh, you have no idea how happy I am. Now this should lift right out. There we go. Come on, buddy. Oh, man, it feels so good to have that axle out of there. I have been fighting, and there we go. There it is. Sweet. All right, now we can get to polishing. All right, let's give you a look There's the inside of the hub. Pretty rusty. We're going to have to clean these up pretty good, I think. That should all clean up. I'm glad I got a bearing set because they're looking pretty milky. And then there you go. Let's actually pull these old pads out of here. I'm going to grab some gloves. This is getting a little messy. All right, let's get these brake pads out of here. Basically, it's just 2 springs. One here, and then they connect. So if you can just get one of them unhooked, the rest of it will come right apart. So we'll just do that. And let's try this one. See if we can get it. I'm sure these brakes are full of asbestos. I wouldn't doubt it. I don't know what they're made out of, honestly, but they're pretty damn old. So there we go. That flops right out of there. Actually, if you just get one spring, you're good. And we'll pull those brake pads out. Put those in a safe place, and then we're going to get ready to clean all of this stuff up. Man alive, I'm telling you, this was a bearcat. This was freaking hard. I'm calling it a night. I'm so happy that I got this off, man. Holy buckets. If you're having trouble with yours, again, I tried some of the best products I could find. I tried a torch. I tried sheer will. And at the end of the day, it all came down to leverage. I just needed something with a little bit more leverage. I think it did help that this thing has been soaking for 3 days. I would come down. Every time I was in my basement, I would spray it down again. We got it. Feeling really, really good, guys. Rejoice. If you want to celebrate with me, like the video, please. This is a nightmare, and now I think I can get back to making some videos. Most importantly, I can get back to polishing and getting these wheels ready to go. If you enjoy the videos, please subscribe, like on the comments, or thumbs up the videos that you enjoy the most. Follow along on Instagram and Twitter as well, man. This thing drove me to my wit's end. No joke, guys. But we finally got it. We persevered. We stuck with it. We are victorious. And want to keep working on the 1972 CL350. Have a great night, guys.